Yeah, hello everyone. Um, Welcome back to Building Education Technology. Um, Good day to you all. Yeah. So today we will see the uses of multi-line. Okay. I hope all of you know the use of line command, single line command, right? But have you ever heard the multi-line command? If you know how to use in AutoCAD, then that's fine, very fine. Okay, very good. And if you don't know, then this is the tutorial for you. Okay, for those who don't know, this is the right video for you. Okay, so today we will see what is the use of multi-line. Okay, and when and how to use it. Right. See, this multi-line is mostly used for drawing a plan. Okay, like your wall plan, wall and plan and all. So we will see today how to use it and some other what commands or some specific points associated with multi-line. We shall discuss this. Okay. So let us start now. So most of the people, what they do is that for drawing a plan, okay, for doing a plan, they will use a line command. Okay, so they used to make building plan or wall plan, okay, with line command, and then they use offset command, okay, to make wall thickness, internal or external board. Okay, they use offset command, and then center line and all, they also use offset command and all. Okay, today we will see, without doing this, we will see how to use multi-line to do the same, okay, to do the same in a faster way. Okay, I think this multi-line is much faster than that offset command. Okay, so we will see some very simple drawing today. We will draw a very simple drawing and we will see which is good for you. You can use that one. Okay, so before doing before starting our drawing, let us first set our unit in AutoCAD. Okay, for that you need to just type from your keyboard UN, okay, then press enter. Your unit dialog box will come here. You just see this, your default drawing unit is in inches. Okay, now you want to draw in metric unit, this is empirical unit. Okay, now if you want to draw in metric unit like meter, centimeter and mm, then you can click this small arrow, drop down one. Okay, you click it here and then you can choose whatever unit that suits you best. Okay, so here we will be drawing in metric unit. Okay, so we shall be picking up this millimeter unit. Okay, so all our drawing will be in millimeter. Okay, so let us click. We have selected millimeter, then now click OK. Okay, our unit is set. Okay, now see, remember we have set the unit in mm. Okay, now I will show you the simple method, okay, to draw plan first. Let us see first the line command. Okay, let us draw the line command and then next we shall use multi-line command. Okay, so for drawing with line command, you just need to pick from here. You can pick a line command, or else you can like from your keyboard you can press L and then enter. Okay, see, let us just draw simple plan. Okay, like this. Say roughly we will draw without unit also. Okay, see, okay, let us take unit. Say 10 meter. 10,000 mm is our 10 meter. Okay, and then say 5,000 mm, 5 meter. Okay, now next here we shall go 4,000 mm, that is 4 meter, and here 3,000 mm. Okay, That's okay. Oh no, this is very big. And let us take this small one. Say here 3 meter. And again here 3 meter. Okay. Now 3 meter. Okay. And now you just trace the line here like this. Okay. And then click here and just close it. Okay. So this is your plan shape. Okay. Without any internal wall and all. Okay. Just for your example purpose, we are doing like this. All right. Now what you will be doing? Okay. Mostly people do. Now they will take offset command and they will offset the wall thickness. Right. So I will show you that now. See, press to take offset command. You just need to press O and enter. And now specify your offset distance. How much you want to give the thickness for wall? Okay. Say suppose your wall thickness is 200 mm. Okay, so it's asking you to specify the offset distance. So press 200 and then enter. Okay, now you just click this one and press outside. Okay, press outside like this. Okay, continue. Yeah, you have completed offsetting the wall thickness. Now we have to connect this one, right? So for connecting that one, there is not two actually, one command, fillet command. Okay, if you don't know fillet command, what is that one and how to use, I will make another video. In that I will show you how to use fillet command. Okay, today I will not show you, I will directly use fillet command. Okay. Click this one and this one, it will join these two intersection. That intersection when I will two line. Okay. Yeah, click this one, click this one. Now click this one, that will be trimmed off. Yeah. Then click this one and this one. Click this one and this one, click this one and click this one. Okay, so you have completed your plan now. Okay, by using line command and offset. Here in multi-line command, okay, you will be drawing the plan without any offset and all. Okay, but for using this multi-line command, there is some step that you need to follow. If you have done that one and then without any hassle, you can do your plan fastly and swiftly. Okay, so we have here trimmed and then offset and line command, just three commands we have used for doing this simple plan like this. Okay, now we shall see how that can be done with multi-line. Okay, the same plan we shall draw. Okay, so for using multi-line, you just press from your keyboard M and L and then you enter. Okay, ML is the shortcut key for multi-line. Okay, now we shall draw this what we call wall. Okay, how much it was? It was 10 meter, right? Now before drawing that one, I said now some step that you need to follow before starting multi-line command. So here what it you see in your command line. Okay, specify a start point or justify scale style. Okay, it has been written here like this. Okay, so what after giving multi-line command, what is the next step that you need to follow? Okay, now I will show you that. See, before drawing this wall, okay, you need to choose your scale. Means how much is your thickness of wall? You need to first define that thickness of the wall, then you can start with your what we call drawing of plan. Okay, now select a scale to define your wall thickness scale. Okay, so how much is your wall thickness? 200 we have here taken in the first drawing. Okay, we have taken 200, so our 200 same their thickness we shall be putting here as well. Okay, now press 1, sorry, press enter. Okay, now after that you press justification again after scale. Okay, justification means how you want to draw, top, 0 or bottom. Okay, I want always to draw first our plan, we use 0 justification. Okay, other top and bottom if needed I will explain you later. Let's see first whether our means time is there or not, whether time permits or not. Okay, we shall see accordingly. So for drawing plan you select this 0 justification. Okay, now you are ready to start with your drawing of plans. Okay, see now we trace the lines and then we shall draw in the same level. So press this one and you press 10 meter, 10,000 mm, and here 5,000, right, we have taken, and this one I think 4 meter or 3 meter, yeah, 4 meter I guess, 4 meter, and then here 2 meter, and here also 3 meter we have taken I think, and then 2 meter, 2 meter, and then here you cannot select this one. Okay, you can press that one, so you can remember how much left. Okay, 10 meter now, so here 4 meter, here 4 meter, 3 meter, 7 meter already gone. Now you know 3 meter left, so you can give 3 meter. Okay, and then you can end up your drawing here. So just click here, no problem, then enter. Okay, and one thing you have to do after that, you select this drawing and press, you need to explode this one, okay, to edit, otherwise all you cannot edit. So for explode you just need to press X and enter. Okay, now you trim it. Okay, trim it, this one and this one, and then by offset command you close this one. See, it is done. So in multi-line you don't have to use 3-4 commands. Okay, with single command and then some adjustments or okay steps that you have to complete before using multi-line. That's it. After that you can draw without any worries. Okay, so that is the use of multi-line. See, you have seen how we have how we can use multi-line, right? So I hope you will be applying this technique or method, okay, to draw your walls whenever you start your drawing, and according to your choice, it's your choice, it's your wish, whichever command you find comfortable for you, or whatever command you find it comfortable, you can use that one. Okay, but I suggest if you can try to use this multi-line ones. Okay, line we have, okay, line command we have another use. Okay, we have to use that one. Without line command we cannot do anything. Okay, but for plan and all I suggest you to use this multi-line command. Okay, so I hope I could explain you okay, whatever I can. I tried my best to explain to you, and if you have any doubt, okay, regarding this, or if you want some other tips and tricks with draw plans, you can comment down below. Okay, please share this video. Okay, I shall bring most useful videos like this every day, and I used to post job vacancies also, and then I do post project work videos as well. Okay, because I'm a project engineer and I'm doing architectural and urban planning college construction in our place. Okay, so I will be bringing you up project videos as well, and CAD and BIM information as well. Okay, and most importantly job. Okay, so I will be continuing to upload my job update video in my channel. Okay, along with this CAD, BIM and project videos as well. Okay, So that's all for today, and we shall see you in the next video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel, and press the bell icon to get notification as soon as I update the videos. Okay. So thank you all, and bye bye.